Hey everyone, welcome back to Everlasting Luxury. In today's video, we're going to take a look at one of the biggest electric vehicle companies in the world. Of course, you guessed it right, today we are talking about Tesla. We're going to show you how the Gigafactories are nothing short of luxurious. But before we begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that bell icon. With that out of the way, let's begin. As of right now, Tesla makes up to 350,000 cars per year, but since the company is growing over time, they want to increase this number. They want it to reach a number of at least 20 million cars per year, and to do that, they need highly equipped factories. Tesla does realize that, and that's why they've set up Gigafactories. Their main Gigafactory is located in Sparks, Nevada, and it surely has the sparks of love from the team. As of now, only 30% of the factory is complete, and when it's done, it is going to be among the biggest ones in the world. Since it comes from the world of Tesla, sustainable and efficient development is in its main foundations. Other than that, the factory is also equipped with state-of-the-art technology. But it would be nothing without the employees, right? As of now, there are around 7,000 people working in the Tesla Gigafactory. They are so skilled in their jobs, they make the factory highly efficient. They make a complete pack of batteries in 30 seconds, and according to reports, that costs them around $146 per kilowatt hour. This is far ahead of their competition, and that's what makes the Gigafactories special. Fun fact, they are trying to reduce the costs even more. For a company that is at the scale of Tesla, 7,000 employees does seem like a small number. After all, we are talking about the biggest electric vehicles manufacturer. This seems less shocking when you come to know the truth. There are a plethora of robots along with the skilled employees that make things more feasible. And of course, luxurious. These robots are responsible for the transport of heavy items and boxes in the whole factory. This reduces labor costs and makes things faster. At Tesla, time is money, and these robots help to save them time. Other than that, the robots are electrical, and they can keep working for up to 19 hours before they juice out. That is, they would need to be charged. Of course, they follow a path which does not hinder others while transporting, which keeps hustle and bustle away from the working space. Now, let us talk about energy. How will this factory be efficient? The company wants the Gigafactory to be self-reliant, and in order to do that, they will have to add a ton of innovative changes. These include the addition of 200,000 solar panels, expanding across 1.8 million square feet of the factory. Other than that, the location of the factory is a key decision. They researched a lot and found a spot where a good amount of sunlight falls. This way, they will be able to make the best use of the solar energy. In many factories, heating up of the components and machines is the biggest enemy. It makes the tool susceptible for breakdown and reduces profit since the work becomes slow. But Tesla manages with it in a different way. The heat from various components is not wasted. It gets used in the colder months to warm up the whole factory and keeps the employees away from the freezing cold outside. It's a great method which saves them excess energy to heat up the area and also deals with the excess of cold. Isn't it impressive? Tesla's CEO Elon Musk states that he wants to build around 100 gigafactories globally, but that is not quite close to reality at the moment. The first Giga 2 is in Buffalo, New York, but no electric cars are built there. Instead, it was a solar city when it was acquired by Tesla. The Buffalo, New York Gigafactory is responsible for producing the company's residential energy products. This includes the solar roof, among others. Tesla received benefits from New York, which equal to a revenue of around about $950 million. Meanwhile, the 2 billion Gigafactory in Shanghai, the Gigafactory 3 that broke ground this year, is expected to produce Tesla's Model 3, using an entire vehicle production line before the end of the year. Tesla uses what it's learned from its Nevada facility toward its upcoming China factory, and hopes to use the original Gigafactory as the operational model for all future facilities. Numerous people have invested in making this a successful model. With this, we've come to the end of the video. The Gigafactory is a technological marvel, and it is growing with every passing moment. If you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you will never miss a single video from us in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.